What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and today I want to show you how to make extra money on the weekend. Most people that I talk to always say, if I just had an extra $100, if I just had an extra $200 this month, an extra $300, that would change my life forever. Now, I want to show you a very simple, anybody can do this technique for you to make extra money on the weekend. So, if you have Saturday and Sunday available, this is something you can do. So really, what would an extra $300 a month do for you? Maybe not 300, maybe 200, maybe just 100, okay? Whatever it is, okay? Whatever reasoning you have behind making a little bit extra income, a little bit more money, okay? Use that as your motivation, because what I'm going to show you in just a second, it's so simple, and seriously, anybody can do it. Okay, when I say anybody, you do not have to be 18, you could be 13, you could be 55, you could be 24, you could be 32. It doesn't matter your age, doesn't matter where you are in the world, doesn't matter how much money you make right now. There are places, there are ways you can make money. So let's hop my computer, I'm going to show you right now how I turned a $10 investment into a $150 profit in about 2 weeks. So right here, these are two brass fire extinguishers, okay? Both of these are empty. I sold these on eBay. I sold them individually, not together. And so I sold them for about $100. I think the one I sold for like $110. The other one I sold for like 90 something. Sold these a while back. Anyway, so sold these for, let's say, $100. Okay, I charge $40 for shipping. Okay, so after eBay fees, after my PayPal fees, after shipping, I profited about $75 to $80 for each one. Okay, so I bought both of these, okay, both this one and that one for $5 each from a yard sale. Yes, got these from a yard sale. Now, let me show you something. This right here, okay, I typed in brass fire extinguisher, and if you go click on advanced, you can come down here and you can sort it by sold listings. So that's what I did. Now, obviously, I'm doing this. It's June 16th today. So you see one right here. Okay, sold for $150, $45 shipping. Okay, it's brass fire extinguisher. These are smaller ones than what I have. Here's another one. Okay, keep going. $75, $55 shipping. This is in worse condition than what I have. Okay, and again, it's empty, empty, empty. Okay. Make sure you're selling them empty. Anyway, so this is just what I have, okay? These ones right here. Now, you do not have to go and find these. There's a lot of things out there, and that's what I think so many people struggle with is they don't have these things. They don't know where to find those vintage style items, and you don't necessarily need a vintage item. For example, this right here, it's a Kivo key fob. Now, I found this at a yard sale. I've sold these before on Amazon, okay? I've sold these for, I think the first time it came out was like in 2015, 2016, something like that. And I sold these back then. So they're still selling extremely well. Let me show you. So right here, the lady that I bought this from, I don't think she knew what it really was, okay? Because all she said was it was a key ring. That was it. And yes, I guess it could be a key ring, but that's not necessarily what it is, okay? You can see right here, Quickset Kivo first and second gen key fob accessory. Selling for $25.97, and it sells pretty quick over on Amazon. Okay, so I bought this for 50 cents. Okay, brand new, 50 cents. So if I look to see how much I'm gonna make from it, and this one I actually just bought last week. So it sells item price for $25.97. I paid 50 cents for it. So after my Amazon fees, that they're $3.20 and $3.90. I'd profit $18.37 off this one thing that I paid 50 cents for. And that's what I'm talking about. This is how easy it is to make money on the weekend. Now, did I think I was going to get this or the two fire extinguishers and make almost $200 profit? No, I didn't. Okay, but there are items out there. I found juicers. Okay, if you ever find a juicer, okay, look it up. Look on eBay, look on Amazon. If you ever find coffee machines, okay, some of the, I think they're called Breville or Breville. Those ones do extremely well. Nespresso, those do extremely well. And on Amazon, a lot of times you can sell those in used condition. You can also sell them on eBay in used condition as well. Okay, now here's one tip. Okay, I want to give you a tip because I know so many people struggle with taking out their phone and searching on eBay or on Amazon. trying to see if they can make money off an item because it looks kind of sketchy at a yard sale, right? If you've ever done that, or if somebody's ever asked you, hey, are you going to sell on Amazon? Let me know in the comment section below. How did they catch you? What were you doing? Okay? So here's one tip. All you got to do is go up and take a picture. Okay? Take a picture. You can have the sound on. It doesn't matter. Take a picture of the items that you're looking at when you're at the yard sale. Go back to your car. Don't park right in front of the house or in the driveway or anything like that. Go back to your car and sort through the pictures and look it up on your phone then. What this allows you to do is take more time. And the second thing is, if you come back and you decide to buy the item, if somebody asks you, oh, are you going to sell on eBay? They're probably not. All you got to do is be like, oh, I just sent a picture to my wife or my cousin or my sister, and she really wants that. So would you take this money or this much for it? And that's all you have to do. So it gets rid of that awkward, I'm going to scan this on Amazon and see if it sells. And then when you try to negotiate, they're like, well, he's just going to sell it and make some money, so I'm not going to bother going down my price. Okay? So you usually pay more. But if you take a picture, and like I said, you can have the sound on, take a picture of it, okay, so that they know you're taking a picture, not scanning it, then go back to your car and do that exact same thing I just told you. Second tip, when you go to a yard sale, don't go there holding on to hundreds, okay? It just makes you look it makes you look really cheap when you go, oh, you're selling that for $20. Well, how about I buy it for $5? And then they see you pull out 100, it's like, he had $20, he could have bought it. But if you have ones, you have fives, you have quarters, maybe you have a couple tens and a few 20s, and you have them in different pockets, or if you have the bigger bills, you let your spouse hold on to it, or you have it in your wallet and you have all the dollar, the fives, the tens in your pocket. What that allows you to do is you can pull out your money and be like, oh, I only have 2 5s. Would you take $10 for it? Okay, so something as simple as that. Now, making money at a yard sale or a garage sale or estate sale, whatever you want to call it, it's very simple. You go in, you look at everything that they have. Okay, you can break it down and make individual. You can offer individual prices for your items. Okay, negotiate individually, which I always recommend. Negotiate every single price individually. Then let's say it comes up to, oh, it's going to be $106.75. Like, well, how about just 100? Give you 100. And so individually, you brought the price down for everything, and then on top of that, it came up to a little bit over what you had. Okay, to round it off, so you bring it down to an even 100. I do this all the time when I'm buying books, and I buy books to sell on Amazon. Okay, and you can get them for a quarter, 50 cents, sometimes $1. You buy them, it comes up to $13.25. All right, would you take 10? No, but I'll take 11 or 12. Cool, still getting a discount. All right, so that's something you can do as well. Now I'm going to give you another tip. Okay, most people think there's only a few places to sell stuff online. You can sell stuff on eBay, on Amazon, on Facebook Marketplace, on Craigslist, on Etsy, and even OfferUp, which is a smartphone app. Okay, there's a lot of different places. These aren't even all. Okay, this is not even all of the places you can sell stuff on, but these are some of the more popular things or places or platforms or whatever you want to call them you can sell products on. So highly recommend you don't just stick to eBay. Don't just stick to Amazon. Kind of work them all. Now, the reason why I bring that up is because I have the majority of my businesses on Amazon FBA. So for me, as a reseller, the majority of my business is all on Amazon FBA. Okay, I am in multiple countries, not just the United States, but it is strictly, pretty much Amazon. So what I tell people is go sell stuff on eBay, sell stuff on Amazon, sell stuff on Craigslist, on Facebook. Give yourself multiple platforms just in case you can't sell this product on Amazon. Maybe it's not selling on eBay, so you list it over on Craigslist, see if somebody wants it, on Facebook, or vice versa. You give yourself options, which gives you the ability to sell more products, make more money, and you can easily flip stuff faster, which is something that a lot of people can't do on eBay. They're struggling to flip their products quick enough to get their money out and reinvest it into something else. So if you're ready to start making some extra money on the weekend, $300, $400, $500, $600, $700, $800, $900, $1,000, okay? You want to start making some extra money on the weekend, start hitting up the yard sales, start hitting up the thrift stores, Find different things that you can resell on eBay, Amazon, Facebook, Craigslist, Etsy, OfferUp. Okay? Find different items you can resell. Look in your closet, look in your garage, look in your basement, your attic, wherever. Ask people you know if they have stuff they're looking to get rid of. Okay? VHS players still sell well. DVD players, old school DVD players still sell well. Okay? Use shoes, use clothing, use electronics of any kind, still sell extremely well. So get out there, find that stuff. Okay? It's those little things, those things that are going to make you $5, $10, $20 per sale. That's what's going to help you build your business up to $100, $200, $300 extra every single week or every single month. Then from there, you can get to thousands of dollars every single month by scaling your business, finding more profitable products, negotiating better, and just getting out there and being consistent. So if you guys have any questions on how to make extra money on the weekend, let me know in the comment section below. I'm here to help you out any way that I can. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed today's video. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.